To build your Aurora Light Box Podium, you will use a total of 12 extrusions, the dual Torx key, and the electric power cord to power your LED lights. Start by building the vertical sides, inserting them into the channels of the horizontal extrusions with the lights by matching up the numbers of the extrusions. Then secure the extrusions together by using the dual Torx key to tighten the screws. Repeat this with the other vertical extrusions until they are built and tightened together, and then begin assembling the horizontal extrusions of the frame with the larger front and back, and then the smaller side extrusions. Once the frame is completely assembled, lock the plastic clips together to connect the LED lights. Now you can begin installing your SEG banners by tucking the edges into the opening of the channels in the extrusions, and by gently using your hands to press them into place on the frame. After the frame is assembled and the banners are in place, you can install the acrylic countertops on top of the frame to complete your eye-catching, impressive Aurora Light Box Podium. Begin disassembling your Aurora Podium by first removing the acrylic countertops on top of the podium. Then gently pull away the banners from the channels of the frame on all sides. Disconnect the LED light clips inside the frame. Using the dual Torx key, then unscrew the channels of the display to disconnect the frame. Place all the hardware back into the assigned bags and your Aurora Podium is successfully disassembled.